Anola is a platform that specializes in cryptocurrency trading and ensures the safety of storage and transmission of digital information. Applying the most reliable and effective security methodologies, the developers have built one of the most reliable cryptocurrency platforms. To ensure the safety of your crypto assets, we use a flexible multi-stage wallet strategy. Most of the funds are kept in a cold wallet. This provides extra security and ensures the secure transfer of your crypto assets to the wallet. Besides, the Anola platform has many ancillary security features to maximize the protection of the funds and personal data of platform users. Anola is your safety in the dynamic crypto world. We offer a unique platform that's of interest equally to an experienced investor and a beginner, and even a trader who's been trading on all kinds of exchanges for a long time. Each user of the Anola platform can receive a high guaranteed income from personal investments in the short term, daily profit withdrawal, high-performance trading engine, 24/7 customer support, high daily income, detailed large-scale analysis of the crypto asset market. It offers a convenient platform interface and secure access to your personal account with all investment instruments. If you prefer high-speed trading without physical involvement, Anola is the perfect solution. The functionality of the platform provides instant updates on trade information and wallet balances. The profit received during the day is transferred to the balance of your wallet the next day. For users of the platform, a bogus program and interest rates for storing cryptocurrency in a cold wallet are provided, as well as partner awards for active participation in the popularization of the platform and the creation of the Anola crypto community. Anola's consolidated funds and deposits are guaranteed to bring you daily income. We focus on you, applying the principle of personality orientation. We blur the boundaries and continue to develop together.